Bearded Science Guy here, and today I'm going to show you how to make an oozing pumpkin. The first step is to pick out a pumpkin and draw a face on it. I chose a puking face, and why will be obvious here in a minute. Now it's time to cut out your design, but keep in mind it will ooze from the lowest openings first. Take 100 milliliters of warm water and add 20 to 30 drops of food coloring. After that, add 1 tablespoon of dishwashing liquid and a couple tablespoons of baking soda. Mix this solution until there's an even consistency, and then pour it into the bottom of your pumpkin. The final ingredient is 200 milliliters of white vinegar. Pour the vinegar in and watch it ooze. Acetic acid in the vinegar reacts with sodium bicarbonate in the baking soda and forms carbon dioxide gas. This gas is then trapped by the soap, creating bubbles. And that's how you get an oozing pumpkin. For a different effect, you can change up your design or even the color of your ooze. Thanks for watching Bearded Science Guy. Consider subscribing on YouTube or check out some of our other weekly science videos.
Hey everybody, back again with some cool science stuff to do. I have a pumpkin that's about to go bad, so I figured why not make it a really cool science experiment. Let's check it out. Here goes nothing. Let's see what happens. It's foaming. It's foaming. Oh my gosh, maybe I need a little more vinegar. Let's see what's gonna happen. Well, I see some blue. It's not coming out yet. It's starting to. Oh, maybe we didn't put enough in. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, here it comes. It's starting to ooze. Ew. Oh, that's disgusting. Let's tip it up and see what happens. Ah. Foaming pumpkin. Hello, Sprocket. She's coming out to see what's going on in her yard. We have a foaming blue, gross pumpkin. Didn't foam as much as I thought it would, but maybe we'll try our other pumpkin and see what happens. Right, that other one didn't turn out quite like I thought it would, so we're gonna go bigger this time. I have a different pumpkin with a lid. I used more solution to see what would happen. We're gonna use a little more vinegar, and let's see if we can get this thing going really crazy. Let me get it ready.
We have the solution inside. I don't know if you can tell, but it's very blue and disgusting. You can kind of see it through the eyes. I'm gonna put the lid on, and this time I'm gonna put lots of vinegar in. I'm gonna get it through the eyes. Here we go. Let's see what happens. Oops, let me get out of the way.
Alright, Pumpkin Jack. Oh, it's foaming. It's working. Ew. It's coming out of the mouth. It's working. Gross. Well, now you know what to do with your leftover pumpkins before you go bad. You can do some really fun science stuff with them. This is our vinegar and our baking soda, a little dish soap, and you have the link to show you how to do it. Have fun.
It's squishy and loose, disgusting and gross and fun. Love science.
Hey, do you mind getting your hand out of my brain? Do it outside because this is messy. Ew. Happy Halloween.